Hi class, today we'll learn about the solar system. We'll be learning about each planet, some fun facts about each one, and the sun. We'll learn about the location along the solar system, and at the end there's a quiz that you can kind of quiz yourself on, but I'll be giving a quiz in the beginning of tomorrow's class. So the sun is the star at the center of the solar system. It's what makes light on Earth. The sun's color is white when it's high in the sky, and its color is orange, yellow, magenta, or red when it's low in the sky. I'm sure you have all seen the sun from, obviously, Earth's experience, but if you ever get to Google some sun photos, it's a really cool looking thing. It's like a hot lava planet. And Mercury is the smallest planet. It's closest to the sun, and it has a similar terrain like the Earth. Mercury's orbit is 88 Earth days, and it was found about 4.6 billion years ago. And the first observation of Mercury was made in 1975 by the Mariner 10. It's a pretty fun fact. Next is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. It orbits the sun every 224.7 Earth days. It's named after the Roman goddess for love and beauty. Now, Venus is sometimes called Earth's sister planet because it's similar in size, mass, and proximity to the sun. And in 1962, it was viewed by the Mariner 2. Next up is a planet we all know called Earth. It was formed 4.54 billion years ago, the only planet to inhabit life and have water on its surface. And Earth's moon is the largest moon in the solar system. And obviously, you know how long the Earth's orbit is according to the days of the year. It's about 365.26 days long. And 71% of the surface of Earth is covered in water. And Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It's the second smallest planet in the solar system. It's often called the red planet. In 2013, NASA found that there was water present at one point on the surface of Mars. So currently there's a lot of, information being found out about Mars. Right now, or as of 2016, Mars has 6 orbiter spacecrafts and 2 on its surface studying its terrain and everything about its atmosphere. And its orbital pattern is 687 Earth days around the sun. Next up is Jupiter. It's the 5th planet from the sun. It's the largest planet in the solar system. It's considered a gas giant along with Saturn. Now, Jupiter is the 3rd brightest object in the night sky behind the moon and Venus, often seen from the Earth. And its orbit around the sun is 11.86 years. Next is Saturn. Saturn has a yellow hue due to ammonia crystals, has 62 moons that orbit Saturn, and it takes Saturn 10,759 Earth days to orbit the sun, so that's 29.5 years. And Saturn is one of the most distant of the planets that you can see with the naked eye. Next is Uranus. It's called an ice giant. It's the 7th planet from the sun. And it has a tilted axis rotation, so it seems like it's rotating as if it's laying in bed. It's the coldest planetary atmosphere with negative 224 degrees Celsius or negative 371 degrees Fahrenheit. It's pretty cold. So, its orbital pattern around the sun is 84 years long. And lastly, the last planet in the solar system is Neptune. It's 17 times the mass of the Earth, and it's named after the Roman god of the sea. And Neptune's orbital pattern is 164.8 years around the sun. It's the only planet found by mathematical prediction rather than empirical observation, which empirical observation is using like your senses by observing and experimenting and seeing it with your own eye than just like a mathematical equation. And lastly, I wanted to talk about the solar eclipse. For a homework assignment and possible extra credit, you'll be viewing the solar eclipse on August 21st, 2017. You should be outside at before 2:36 p.m. and 2:39 p.m. the solar eclipse should pass through Greenville. You should have a journal, bring your family members, and certified solar eclipse glasses. You can get these at the River Mountain Science Center on Fridays before 2 p.m. And a solar eclipse is the moon blocking the light of the sun from reaching the earth, so the moon casts a shadow onto the earth. And we'll be experiencing a total solar eclipse, which is visible from a small area, and the sky becomes very dark like it's at night. So you can see here in this photo what this will look like, and then this photo is what it should look like all around. So I want you to take this brief quiz just for yourself. Obviously write down 1 through 10, and 10 would be an extra credit question. So make sure you know what this is. It used to be called a planet, and now it's been denounced by being a planet. So if you want to go ahead and do that, test your knowledge. And lastly, just look at this solar system song video. It's kind of corny, but it keeps you remembering the order of the solar system.
There are 8 planets in the solar system.
Okay, I won't bore you with all of it. Make sure you view that and have any questions ready tomorrow. And I'll see you guys in class.